All right, here's our old system for the garbage. So this is the cabinet that we're going to be replacing. And right now it's just on a hinge at the bottom, and the garbage can comes out like this. So the problem is we have all this dead space back here that's not being used. It's coming off. Dun dun, here it is all installed. Fancy, fancy. So this took much longer to install than I had hoped. It took me a couple tries to get it perfect, and I'll show you why. So first of all, overall this thing is nice and sturdy. It slides really nicely, and it has very little play. So I was worried that it would sag once it got out here, but this thing is pretty beefcake and it's not sagging at all. So I'll show you how the installation works. So you install a screw right there at the end of the runner here, and then there's a bracket on the back right there that you install 2 screws in there. So you just have to get it level, and you have to make sure the distance between the runner and the wall back there is the same as the distance between the runner and the wall up here. Same on the other side back here. So because my cabinets are a little wider than I guess what would normally come with this package, I had to build out this little furring strip right here, so that because it's 15 inches from this side to this side of the runner, the outside of the runners, so I had to build little stringers on both sides to get it to the right width. So that was another part I had to try a couple times to get it right. But then I got it right, and this guy just slides in, so you can pull this lever up, and then you could pop this whole thing out of the runner, and then it just slides right back in and clicks into place. So once the runners were ready, I just clicked it into place, and now it slides closed. Boom.